everyone, how's everyone doing? And before I start about this candle ritual for this week, I want to thank you all because many of you loved that relationship spell which I had done last time, in which I had kept a cinnamon stick as a bridge between couples, and one of my students had done it where the relationship between the father and son was not good, so she kept two male candles and then she did, and someone else had done for couples, and many people who actually two three of them had sent me the images, but they didn't want me to share it because the older people will come to know whose it is, so I didn't share that. But thank you once again, because it was beautiful to see you all trying it and getting results and being happy that the video had come on time. So at that point of time, two three of them had WhatsApp me saying they want something where the relationship has to be loyal and the passion in the relationship should not go. So I always believe for passion in an existing relationship, or for example, I have someone has just got married, and the husband is in night shift, or in this time of COVID, there are a lot of things where people lose passion and interest towards life, so they want to bring back that lost interest in a relationship. Then this candle works beautifully. And loyalty, nowadays a lot of people, a lot of clients come to me saying my partner is not loyal to me. I'm not saying as a gender bias thing that it's a male or a female. I would just say the partner is not loyal. Loyalty is missing, fidelity is not there. So for loyalty and fidelity, I always prefer taking a pink dog. I make actually two types of dogs. So actually you might be wondering, this has coins and everything, then why this dog? It's not like that. I go by what I feel intuitive. Like for example, when my candle magic students order dogs from me or candles from me, then I ask them what is an issue. At that point of time, what I feel guided, whether should I take a small dog or a big dog, then accordingly I take. So same way, today actually I'm doing this for a couple who had come to me and they feel that the relationship has lost its passion. And more than passion, I would say that they feel, now when I say passion, you might be wondering, this is a girl and boy hugging together, so it only means sexual passion. No, it doesn't mean only sexual passion. Sometimes all you need is just a hug from your partner, and you just need to lie on their shoulder and just feel comfortable. That also is passion. When you see old couples, you will find them just spending time together and hugging, because I'm doing this for an elderly couple where she feels that the partner is not giving her the same old hugs or love, and she feels that maybe because of COVID, that he's sitting at home, he is spending more time in social media, and because of which there is a lot of chances that he is not being loyal to her. So that's the reason I have taken this. I usually also love combining a skull here, but since I've been doing this ritual now for 7 times, so first 7 times I did with the skull, the rest 4 times I am doing it without the skull, because I feel that is enough. Because as I've always said in many of my videos also, we go by 11, 21 and 30 times, depending on either when you do a reading you come to know, or you go by your inner feel. So what I will do here is, I have something called as bend over oil. I have something also called as come to me oil. I also have something called as fidelity oil. So what I will do is, I will apply bend over oil here, and I will sprinkle blessings powder, or sometimes what I do is I just sprinkle power powder. That bend over oil basically works for the partner to bend towards you, to understand what you want and to be loyal to you. And power powder in the passion candle mainly, because I want the couple to have a passionate relationship and bring more power to their relationship, like more energy to their relationship. So that's the reason I am going to use the power powder. Now when it comes to this one, the small little dog, I will use the fidelity oil, and I will use the van powder, because I want it to become successful. So you all know how I actually do. I was thinking whether I should do it or not, but then I thought, let me do it and let me show it all to you, because you all last time 2-3 of you said you love when you see me applying the oils, and you love seeing the way the candles are dressed. Now coming to you all, you might wonder, what if I don't have a bend over oil? Yeah, I am there always to send it to you all and buy from me and use these candles and oils, but okay, some of you feel budget wise it doesn't work. So what shall we do? Then for those people who feel budget wise it might not be feasible for them to pick everything together. Passion candle is a must. Now recently someone came to me and they had done a ritual for passion with I think two pink candles, and tying the thread or something they had told me. But again, what had happened was they didn't get results. So that's the reason I prefer working on those candles for that ritual, so that it works more beautifully. So it is better you use the passion candle. Now what other oil I can use? You can use chamomile oil, chamomile, chamomile oil. You can use geranium oil. You can also use rose oil. Now if you're using geranium oil in this, then use the rose oil in this. And if you're using chamomile, don't use the same blend of oils as what I'm trying to say in both the candles, because it doesn't work that way. So it would be better if you work on two different oils on this, because this is more for fidelity. And yeah, for this for fidelity you can use ylang ylang herb from your home, or the cinnamon herb. And for this I would suggest to use mainly the chamomile herb and not any other herb, if you're not picking up the power powder. That's provided you don't pick the power powder, and then in that case you do it. So this is my Van powder. I actually have a white colored Van powder also, but this is my blend which I just keep separate for few of my rituals. So I'm just going to, and now in the dog I will not sprinkle in the whole dog. I'm just going to put it near the eyes and the brain, because I want them to just be loyal, and loyalty only comes from the mind. So I'm just focusing on the mind. Now you might ask, if I'm using a skull also, if I feel skull is also needed, what should I do? Pink color skull, so the whole set will be pink. And you can even keep rose quartz crystals. You can surround it with petals also if you want to do it. And pink color skull with commanding oil and commanding herb. If you don't have the commanding oil, in my YouTube itself, I don't know if the team will be able to help you in that. They can bring in my commanding oil recipe here, where I have explained how the commanding oil is done at home. So you can make that oil, and you can just use cinnamon powder if you don't have the commanding powder, and that's it. That's a spell. So I will try to tell the team that to put the commanding oil when this thing is coming. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Do let me know how you feel when you see me bringing in these candle rituals, so that I'll bring more and more. Yes, someone had even asked for property, so I don't know if the property video is coming first or this video is coming first, but I am making even a candle ritual for buying and selling of property. So do let me know how you all felt. Now, how many times should we do? I would suggest at least do 11 times, and if the relationship has lost its passion for a longer time, then do it 21 times or 30 times, but do it regularly. You can either start on a Friday and do it on every Friday, or you can start on any new moon and do it every day also. You can do it in both ways. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and you all do share it, like the video, share the video, and leave a comment on what is the next video you would want me to bring. I would love to bring that. And do let me know how you felt when you saw this video, and do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, as I always say, because then only you will be notified. As promised, I am trying to be more regular now, bringing in videos week after week, so that you don't miss any videos. God bless you all. Have a great day. Thank you.